Pfizer is inching closer to seeking authorization for kids to receive its COVID vaccine. It sent data to the FDA showing a robust antibody response in kids ages 5 to 11.
And that data stems from clinical trials across the country, including here in St. Louis. Tonight, News 4's Caroline Hecker is speaking to area kids who have been participating. Caroline?
Well, guys, the blood draw required of kids to even take part in the trial is enough to scare most of them away. But the Music Sisters decided they wanted to take part, helping to pave the way for other kids interested in the vaccine. More than 28 million children across the U.S. could soon be eligible for Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine. That decision largely dependent on data the company has collected from clinical trials. But that data impossible to collect without kids like 11-year-old Anna Kate and 8-year-old Ella.
I wanted to do it because if I could get vaccinated earlier, I could be safer to play sports and things and be with my friends sooner than I would if I waited.
The Pfizer trial is being held at Clinical Research Professionals in Chesterfield, and 110 kids are taking part. After a blood draw, both girls received their first dose, with the second dose following 3 weeks later.
The only symptom that I had was a little bit of pain in my arm. And the same thing after the second shot, but it wasn't anything super severe.
Their older sister Emma was a participant in the Pfizer trial for teens earlier this year.
My arm was sore, but I didn't get sick or anything after both shots.
With 3 daughters enrolled in 2 clinical trials, their dad says the benefits outweigh the risks.
We were very much in favor of them getting vaccinated, both for their safety and just for their everyday life, so they could go about, they all play soccer. I didn't want them missing games and missing school.
The family hopes their participation in the 2 trials will not only bring themselves a level of safety, but serve as an example for others who may be on the fence.
It was a no-brainer for us, but certainly for many people, they probably have more apprehension than we do, and they still went and did it. So I'm proud of them that they wanted to do it.
Now, all 3 girls kept a diary during their trials, and they took note of any symptoms that they experienced. Emma, who is 13, found out she received the placebo when her study was unblinded in July. Ella and Anna Kate, though, will have to wait until later this fall to find out what they received.